In this video, we stay at the 5-star Pullman Hotel, Auckland Airport, after Air New Zealand cancels 4 flights, leaving us stranded. While this wasn't a holiday stay we wanted, it is a chance to bring you another hotel review, so join us. After delaying our flight for an hour and a half, this is the queue to get flights rebooked. There are no flights today, and we've heard that there are probably no flights to Palmy until Tuesday. Okay, so the saga after our flight was cancelled continues. Basically, there was complete chaos. The ground crew didn't seem to know how to handle 150 people not being able to get on their flights, even though you'd think that would be pretty standard and must have happened before. And the manager at last arrived, who actually had some ability to do something. So now she has booked us on a flight tomorrow, and this is the hotel that we get to stay at tonight. Thank you, Air New Zealand. At least there's
a brand new hotel.
Something. It is a brand new hotel. It's only been open for maybe a year or so. Very friendly check-in staff booked us into room 318. You're greeted first by 2 gowns and slippers, then your coat hangers before the room opens up to 2 queen beds. They look very inviting after a long day and flight delays. There's a single armchair here with marble top table, complimentary glass bottled water by the beds, plenty of plug-in USB sockets here, a telephone, and a really big TV. I suspect a 45-inch at least. Unfortunately, the mix of TV channels was pretty poor. There's more water and plenty more wall sockets here, and another socket over on the desk with an international plug adapter. Now, if the water doesn't do it for you, there's a myriad of other options. We would have tried the Nespresso coffee maker if it wasn't already after 11 p.m. Then there's this bottle of Marlborough Pinot Noir, and the fully stocked bar fridge has plenty of alcoholic and soft drinks. The bathroom is big. There's plenty of counter space on the marble benchtop, tissues, more glasses and towel storage up here, but much more down below the sink, plus a bagged hairdryer. C.O. Bigelow soap and body lotion here, and then onto the highlight, a very large, full tiled shower. Again, fantastic mix of C.O. Bigelow shower gel, hair conditioner and shampoo. Don't get caught out trying to use this knob to turn on the water as I did. It's on the wall. Strong pressure in the shower. The toilet is in its own separate room, which I can kind of understand but have mixed feelings about. What are your thoughts on the separate toilet? There's a small closet at the front door with an ironing board, and to prove you're a high flyer, a clothes brush and shoehorn. The iron's up here, and if you fancy doing some electrical work, this is the door for you. But these 3 are ready for bed, and it's late. We'll see you in the morning. It's a grey morning here in Auckland, but we slept comfortably, and the views of the international terminal from our room are great if airports are your thing. Let's grab some breakfast. The views from the restaurant are even better, showing Auckland's massive new terminal taking shape. It's a buffet-style breakfast, and Grace and I were impressed. Alright, here's your beautiful breakfast here at the Pullman Hotel. Hey Grace. Looking forward to it. You had a good night's sleep last night, didn't you, after yesterday's disaster? So, what are our overall thoughts on the Pullman Hotel, Auckland Airport? Strengths include the welcoming staff, big bathrooms, comfy beds, the delicious breakfast, lovely shower, and if you have a connecting international flight, the location. The complimentary water and the Nespresso coffee option were nice touches. This hotel is very well reviewed, and it's not hard to see why. In terms of the negatives, there's only really the lack of TV options and then the price. It's literally double what you'd pay for a good quality hotel downtown in Auckland. I don't know what special rate Air New Zealand has agreed to with the hotel, but at around $225 a night on booking.com, it's out of our normal price range. Do you think this is good value? Comment below. Overall, we score the Pullman an 88. Now click subscribe and hit the bell to stay up to date with all our travel advice and tips. Take care, and thanks Air New Zealand.